Ladies and gentlemen, we'll present our project called SEEKER. Before that, let me introduce our former team. First is Teresia Novitasari as project manager, and then Faisal Kamal as programmer, Latifa as system designer, Vivi Syamariah Bawardi as system analyst, and Mutiarani Natasha as marketing. So, what is SEEKER? SEEKER is a mobile application to help dental medical students on finding patients that have certain criteria depends on their specialist to complete their final clinical practice. Research helps dental medical students. SEEKER also helps society by giving free therapy to cure their problem about teeth. In Indonesia especially, there are 9 types of specialists. Dental medical students also have 2 kinds of final practice, clinical practice and general practice. General practice means that students must qualify in knowledge of dentistry depends on their specialist or focus. And clinical practice, the dental medical students must practice their skills in the field or society with guidance book in each specialist of dentistry. On this case, we have assumption of our project. First, dental medical students requires patients to clinical practice according to the search criteria. Second, the problem arises when the dental students having trouble finding patient. And last but not least, the solution is creating an application that allows students to search the patient's dentistry. From the assumption that we mentioned before, we take action by doing some interview to dental medical students to prove if our assumption is true, and dental medical students need our application to facilitate them to find the right patient. And the result is dental medical students search the patient in accordance with the branch of dentistry skills but cannot find the appropriate patients. And then, dental medical students have to search patients by visiting clinics, health centers, hospitals, in certain areas when they cannot find the right patient according to their guidance book. An examination of the patient is done not just once, but up to 80% recovery of patients. The last, pivot. It was concluded the dental students in desperate need of patient in accordance with the criteria that they are looking for as a graduation requirement clinical practice. This is our step of pivot. First, we propose a business model named Mr. Pharmacy. After the mentoring is done, customer segment of Mr. Pharmacy is unclear. We find new ideas and conduct survey in 3 areas of medical science. They are nutrition, general practitioners, and dentists. We found a problem that has enormous potential that can be solved using the startups in dentistry that patients search for clinical practice. We make a new business model called SEEKER. I think that's all from our presentation about SEEKER. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, now let's start with the business model purpose of SEEKER. Okay, beginning with the key partners. Our key partners is the dentistry faculty. And the next, key activities. We have marketing and sales, software and platform development. And the next, key resources, we need software developer and the software itself. And the value proportion, we have entities to find. Okay, find the patient who related with their specialty. And the customer relationship, through membership chat between patient and dentist. And in the customer segment, we have dentistry student. And the cost structure, we need a 3 cost structure. They are software development, marketing, and the salary. And in the revenue stream, we receive the money, the revenue stream from the membership registration. In the distribution channel, we have mobile application. Okay, this is the first of key partners of dentistry faculty. Now we jump into the next, health community center. In the key activities, sales only, marketing and sales, software and platform development, and in the key resources, sales only, software developer and software itself, and in the value proportion, it is help the patient to get a free dental care. And in the customer relationship, also with the membership chat and distribution channel, we also through mobile chat application. And the customer segment is the patient who needs a dental care. And the revenue stream from advertising. And the cost structure is the same, software development, marketing, and salaries. Alright, this is our business model canvas of SEEKER. It's completely